Doon tayo mag-interview.
Don't have the camera.
Okay, okay.
The part of the vlog.
We need to look for more.
Ano, more grade.
More
other grade.
more
Other
monkeys.
grade. Let's go. Let's go, team.
Ah!
Interview.
Who do we talk?
Please,
Please. Interview, please.
Other people.
More people will be interested.
The guy.
Mister.
Can I ask you a question?
Ano yun?
How much do you like this place? Rate this place.
Out of
10.
10.
1 to 10.
5 lang.
Why do you give it 5
How
out of 10? How
come?
come? Why?
The reason.
Boring eh. Pero maganda sa
Why is it
Why is it boring?
Why is it
boring?
It's full of
Why is it boring?
It's full of bubbles. Bubbles, yeah.
Depende naman kung wala kang gagawin, kung dito ka lang boring. Pero kung may kasama ka naman, tambay-tambay
What do you
ka.
mean you can fly, bro?
Guys, wala kayo para may panangalan si Kuya Mami.
Meron na akong birdie kuya.
Tapos na tayo next.
Birdie. What do you mean birdie?
What do you mean by
birdie?
birdie?
Can fly, bro.
My turn.
Yes, bro.
okay.
You interview.
Ay, English only?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
English only.
You, ano, ikaw bala kung Tagalog.
English only.
Okay, Tagalog.
Ang napapahirapan niyo pa ako eh.
Don't bad word is vlog.
Yes,
Yes, you're on camera. You're on camera.
Education, eto. If you're gonna go here, what will you recommend?
Sa mga magtotropa ba?
Magtatropa, okay? Thank you
for your time.
Hoy, pera ko, may bayad yan.
No. Thank you for your help. Da. Interview.
How much do you like this place, sir?
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
Out of 10. Zero.
0 out of 10.
Why do you give it 0 out of 10?
It's boring, guys.
Boring.
Why is it boring? Why is it boring?
Why is it boring?
Di mo paglulu.
You will not recommend this place to go in the preview. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your place. Thank you for your place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nahanap ako.
Other people, let's go.
Ang dami naman dun, oh.
The
Habibi. How much do you like this place out of 10?
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Why do you give it 9? Why 9?
Maganda. Oh,
Why is it
Why is
beautiful?
it beautiful?
Why is it beautiful?
Maganda.
History.
History
History.
about
What's next?
Give me a sample.
Give me a sample.
The plates were used for more.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you think
Do you recommend this place to go if you're gonna go in the field trip for other students? Yes. Okay.
Yes, okay. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. Let's find. Let's go. Uy, sa bus.
Interview only.
Bisa kami interview. Please give us 5 minutes of your time. We have a question.
Minute na, pagod na ako.
Hoy, team, tapas naman.
Out of 10.
out of 10?
Why do you give it 7?
Why 7?
Why 7? Ano, ito popost
Why
natin
7 po?
Popost namin.
Yes.
Yeah.
This
For the project.
It's for project.
Tapos naman.
All of you can answer us.
Kanina pa tayo.
7 ko, nirate ko 7.
Oh.
Wow. Why 7?
Why 7?
So hot,
And
What are the
other
things you love
Other
about
ways.
this place?
peaceful and quiet. Fresh air.
This one, quiet.
recommend this place to go when you're
In the field trip.
When you're gonna go in the field trip.
Would you recommend this place to other students
Okay,
when...
thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Baka naman, no?
Sino naman?
Labas na naman, no?
Interview.
Last na, tapos labas na.
Ayun na, interview.
Interview. Why?
How much do
Do you like this place? Out of 10?
1 to 10 or anything you want.
Don't leave me, don't leave me.
Why do you give it 9? Why?
Okay.
Because it shows all of the
Air
Air Forces.
Air Force.
Force.
Oh.
Yes.
So what are the things you love about this place? Bukod sa mga Air Force.
I really like the nature here, the grass, the trees, and that
Yeah.
whole thing over there.
Yeah,
Creation
it is
about
beautiful.
that. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Do you recommend
Would you recommend this place again?
Yes or no?
Yes,
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, so why?
because it's really peaceful here.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
Bus! Okay, there. There are many people. Team, let's go team.
We're gonna go there and find someone to interview.
We need more.
We need five. Sir George.
Sir George,
Oh, Sir George.
the one who gave us the project. Sir George. Interview.
For your project, Indo, sir.
How much?
How much do you rate this place?
Out of 10.
Out of 10, sir.
One.
Why would you want to give it one? Why?
Tanungin nyo naman ibang teacher,
We already interviewed them. We already interviewed.
Honest review.
Honest review.
Takot si sir sa mic.
Honest review, sir.
Ang dami nyo kasi.
Isa lang.
Hindi, okay naman.
It's okay.
Why?
Why do you
How
pick
come?
number 1 out of 10? Why did you pick 1 out of 10? What's the reason?
Why did you pick 1 out of 10?
Ayusin mo muna yung English mo.
What are the things you
Why
hate
did you
about
rate
this
it
place?
1 out of 10?
Ano?
What are the things you hate about this place and what are the things you love about this place?
Yeah.
Yung hate, wala naman.
Mimi, you love me?
Why did you rate 1 out of 10?
Why did you rate it 1 out
You
of
don't
10?
have any
Oh, yes.
hate. Yes.
Yes.
Baba ka dyan. Baba kayo dyan, papagalitan
Hey,
kayo.
get down.
Get down.
Sir, monkey bars to eh.
Sir, what's the answer?
Burst. Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Oh, speechless. It's
Speechless.
beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's
Oh,
beautiful.
okay, my turn.
Oh, your turn.
Thank you for the review.
Thank you for your time. Yes. Sir Ali,
Thanks so much.
rate it out 1 out of 10. Out of 10.
Actually, hindi ko pa alam. Wait lang.
Rate this place out of 10.
Video mo na.
So I rate this place mga 8 out of 10.
Why do you give it 8 out of 10?
Kung peacefulness niya saka yung pagkakaroon ng connection with the nature.
Okay.
Okay, would you recommend this place again to go in another field trip?
Sir, may...
There's saan.
There's saan.
Ano tanong?
Would you recommend this place again for another field trip?
For another field trip? Maybe another place. More than nature, connect with the nature. Siguro yung meron pang is kumbaga nature and then historical events.
Okay. Thank you for
Thank you for your time, sir. Thank you for your time.
Sabas
Sabas na, ang init dito.
Ay, sabas.
Okay, let's go. Thank you for your time. Let's go, team. We're gonna go to the bus now. Interview more people there.
Ano nga, ba't lang tayo? Ngayon, anim na tayo.
I hate this. Uy, sorry po.
Nandun nga din gamit ko eh.
Bro.
Balikan natin yan mamaya. Nandun na, bag.
Interview na yun ah.
Recording, guys. Yes, I want to play. Not connected recording. We're gonna interview people, right?
Yes, we're gonna interview.
This place is perfect for...
Ma'am side, let's go. Team. Team, let's go. Ma'am.
If you're gonna rate
This place out of 10, what would you rate it?
What you rate it?
This place?
Yes.
Yes.
As of now, it's on 7.
Why do you give it
Reason
7?
why it's 7?
Because we're not starting yet.
Oh.
Mm.
Would you recommend?
I can rate it as 9.
Okay. And will you recommend this for other
Another.
field trip?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thank you po.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. We need
Interview, sir.
interview, sir.
Interview, sir.
Sir.
Project.
Sir.
Project.
AP.
Hindi ko nakakalabas sir.
ba yan?
Opo,
Video mo
sir, nakalabas ka na ba, sir?
Abisin.
Opo, doon.
Kalabas na?
Din do. Hindi pa. Okay.
Okay.
Interview other people. Go inside.
I'm going to ihilang ako.
Wait.
Let's go.
Finish this first.
Ihilang ako.
Last interview.
Ako na mag-video.
Nakawis kayo.
Ano? From 1 to 10. Anong rate mo dito?
Why 1?
Tama?
Walang aeroplano.
Wala yung plano.
Oh, there's no
It
airplane.
says flying, right?
Ha?
It says flying.
Pupogi mo si
And
Martin.
Ikaw, why did you rate it?
Walang operational na
Ano English mo? Gago ka.
Panggago.
Walang operational na aeroplano.
Walang gumagana.
What do you rate it? 1 to 1? Ha? What the fuck? 1 to 1. Kahit Pilipino, di magigit.
Ba't ba ako nasama dito?
Init.
Tapos na tayo?
O tara tayo muna.
Kayo muna. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go zipline.
Tara, boy, balikan natin yung gamit natin. Ma'am,
How do you like this place? Rate it from 1 to 10.
what do you rate this place out of 10? Why 8?
Why
ma'am?
eight?
Why 8?
Just good.
What do you like about this place?
The scenery itself.
Would you recommend this place again for another field trip?
Yes. For stopover. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Okay, next.
What do you rate this place out of 10?
What do you rate it? 1
Rate-
out of 10.
Out of 10, what do you rate this place?
Ano?
What do you rate this place out of 10?
Siguro ko 9, ganun.
Why? Why 9?
Please, English, please. I
Why
cannot
nine?
understand.
Why 9?
Understand you.
Ano ba yun?
I cannot understand you.
Give us your opinion. Bakit 9?
Why 9? Why 9?
Hindi ko alam, pwede ka maglaro.
Man,
Ah,
sa iba nga.